Here is the native of Xizhong, the originator of carriage. Here boasts the ancient city of Taiyuan, which is hailed as the finest town in the world. This is Jiaozhong Shandong, developing at a high speed. Fengyuan Tire Company, belonging to Shandong Energy Group Company Limited, is a large state-owned enterprise with an annual output of 20 million sets of semi-steel radial tires. By virtue of its world-class technology, first-rate production equipment, top-ranking experimental and testing equipment, normative quality management, and rigorous process control, our company has provided customers with high-quality tires characterized by safety, comfort, green, as well as energy saving. The company developed international leading, one-time low-temperature rubber mixing technology starting the time of rubber mixing 4.0. Mass production nano tires firstly launched around the world. Realized a new revolution of green tire technology. Build a century tire enterprise, create an international brand. Fengyuan Tire is looking forward to creating a brilliant tomorrow, together with friends at home and abroad. Welcome to Fengyuan Tire.